So let's sing a happy birthday song in 3, 2, 1, sing! Happy birthday to you. Love everybody, happy birthday to you. Again, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And now one more time, make it faster everyone. Here we go, happy birthday. Another one, happy birthday. Again, happy. Another one, happy birthday. Again, happy birthday. Wow, happy. And now everyone say shout happy birthday, RB. 1, 2, 3, go! Yes, once again, louder, everybody, go! Ayun, RB, what will you say to your friends, relatives, neighbors, office mate, chatmate, roommate, and classmates, and the last one is coffee mate? Wow, let's give a round of applause to our birthday boy, ladies and gentlemen. And now, mommy, daddy, and the 2 sisters, and also our birthday boy, you may now please settle in. And once again, let's give them a big round of applause, everybody. Yes, and to all of our distinguished guests for DC. Let's play the music in 3.
Naibot.
Ready? Ako. Bisita ni RB and family. Sa iyang 4th birthday celebration. Malikon nga nanaadog tanumpa. Nga human mukaon. Human magpakabusog. Dili mamutos. O dili mo biya sa ganyo. Akong ligayan. Ang eat and run. Kay ako nagatuo. Sakit pamation. Ang biyaan human pahimuslan. Ayan, thank you so much everybody and bye! Okay everyone, I think our buffet is now ready to serve, no? But may I request everybody to settle down first. Greg Guspician Letron, go! Ayan, okay, RB, before you blow the candle, okay, close your eyes and make a wish. And also, mommy and daddy, close your eyes and make a wish for your son's brighter future. Okay, ready? Let's count 3 down to 1. 3, 2, 1. Blow the candle. A round of applause, and now, RB is officially 4 years old. Thank you so much. Okay, you give me something. You give me. Ayan, Okay, happy birthday, RB. Go.
Happy birthday, RB!
Ayan, thank you so much. Okay, next, happy birthday, RB. Thank you so much. Okay, next, go.
Happy birthday, RB!
Yes, thank you very much. Next.
Happy birthday, RB!
Thank you very much. Next.
Happy birthday, RB!
Yes, thank you so much. Next, go. Kawawa siya. Thank you so much. Next, go.
Happy birthday, RB!
Thank you very much. Okay, next, go.
Happy birthday, RB!
Thank you, God. Next, go.
Happy birthday, RB!
Thank you very much. Okay, next, go.
Happy birthday, RB!
Thank you so much. Next, go.
Happy birthday, RB!
Thank you so much. Next.
Happy birthday, RB!
Thank you very much. Next, go.
Happy birthday, RB!